which is turbo. She has a 2.0 or 2.5. I have to really look. So I have not made it home to see. So, but today, what I'm gonna do today is put blind spots on the 370 today, and hopefully it turns out well. I got a little bit wider ones. I didn't get the small circle oval one, or not oval, but yeah, the circle ones. So I really wonder how it's gonna turn out today on the 370. But first thing first is let's get to the house and check out the wife's new car. Sporty, with turbo. Alright. Alright, so I just made it home. I finna go out to the garage and check out her car. It is awesome. It looks amazing. Here, I'll let y'all take a peek and look. Alright, so as you can see the little intercooler in there. This is awesome. Like, Kia's came a long way. Like, I heard there were crappy cars back then, but this is spectacular. Like, who uses that word anyways? But this is amazing. I like the way it looks. Her tint is looks like it's a little bit darker than my tint. Actually, I have horrible tint. I want to get mine redone. Let's see, this is awesome. Now we're gonna take a look inside. Let's take a look. This is awesome. Looks all clean and nice. Some gauges. It's just beautiful. And look at the sunroof. It automatically opens. That's what I am talking about. Sadly, the 370 doesn't come with a sunroof. So what all do we have right here?
It has Wi-Fi, it has Apple CarPlay and Android CarPlay. You can use all these apps. And it has satellite radio. It has everything.
So there you have it. The car is amazing. It also has paddle shifters. Yeah, it has paddle shifters, so take it out for a test run. But so far, I know the car has, what, 240 something horsepower and 260 foot-pound torque. So, and it's amazing. So, I'm just gonna have a field time. But anyways, once we get back, we're going to eat dinner. When we get back, I'm gonna install the blind spots on the 370Z. So I'll catch y'all back soon. So this is all new. I love everything. It's beautiful. Have a little competitor at home now. This is awesome. Installing this for my 370Z. Also for some of y'all who drives the 370Z owners, they already know how bad the blind spots in this car is. Horrible. So you know the reason why to get a blind spot mirror. They're too huge. So I mean, you already know how it is for your owners. I decided to go ahead and just like, I mean, I like these. I actually ordered these off online. For some reason, I'm becoming less of a fan of walking into like any auto parts store, except for tools. But let's get started installing these actually. So, all right, this should be easy. Nothing hard to do. Very simple. Self-explanatory. Let's get started. So there you go, they're installed. Let's take a look and see how it looks inside the car from the driver's point of view. So it works out perfect. As you notice, angles that you can see the back body of the car, and then when you look in your regular mirror, you can see just your normal spot, but this is kind of like a little bit closer. Same as that one. I need to readjust that one. That one's kind of like off a little bit. That's gonna bug me. But all right. So I really hope y'all enjoyed the video. This is very easy, something simple. Wasn't going to go all out. But I really hope y'all enjoyed it. I will leave a link in the description of where I got these and where you can order from. I mean, like I said, I order my stuff off online, mainly some stuff through Amazon. But these actually work just as well. So, alright guys, until next time, thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by. Alright, until next time, catch y'all later.